Welcome to RS Trading Solutions. Today I am going to introduce a useful tool for trading, that is Ichimoku toggle button indicator with alerts. Let me attach the indicator to the chart and I will explain you about its functions. You see, it is fully customizable. There is alerts for price leaving the Kumo cloud, Tenkan and Kijun cross, price crossing Kijun, Chikou span A and Chikou span B cross, and you also have the notification function and also email function that you can alerts be sent through email, and also you can have the interpolate values of multi-time frames used by you. Also you can have the button anywhere on the chart as you wish. Okay, you see 5 buttons appeared on each chart. With the single click of the Ichimoku button, we can have the complete all elements of the indicator in our chart. Different traders use the Ichimoku for different strategies, such as cloud breakout strategy, Kijun Tenkan cross strategy, Chikou price cross strategy. Suppose if you like to trade cloud breakout strategy, it is unnecessary for you to have all other elements on the chart. By click of the button, you can remove all other buttons from the chart except the Kumo cloud. Suppose if you like to trade Kijun Tenkan cross, we can able to make the Kijun and Tenkan lines only in the chart and make disappear all other elements. Suppose if you are trading Chikou span strategy, then you can have the Chikou span only on the chart and make all other elements to disappear. Suppose if your strategy involves one or more moving averages, support and resistance lines, then it will be, if you use the Ichimoku indicator in your chart, it will look very messy. So with the click of the Ichimoku button, we can make the Ichimoku indicator to disappear from the chart. Now you see the chart is very clear and you can able to make the predictions. The more important functions of this indicator is the alert function. We cannot sit before the computer throughout the day to see the price is crossing the Chikou line or the Kijun and Tenkan cross or price crossing the cloud. So let's see some of the alerts. You see, price crossing Kijun down. The price is crossing the Kijun zone. That is very nice. You will see some more alerts. Yeah, here comes the new alert. Tenkan crossing Kijun down. Yes, the Tenkan is crossing the Kijun zone from down, top to bottom. Excellent. With some other alerts. Yeah, span A crossing span B down. The span A and span B crossing. The cloud is going to change the color. Okay, that's now the price crosses the cloud. Ichimoku price crossing cloud Kumo down. Excellent. Also there is a notification function. You see, I opened the journal. You see, there is a notification coming. You can configure your email so that you can receive the alerts through mail also. You can also get the alerts in your mobile if you install MT4 in your mobile. Hope you like the video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that we can notify you when we launch new useful products. If you want to buy the products, I will give you a link in the description box, or you can contact me through my mail. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.